Darwin incident.
Darwin
I
Jihan Japan. Sorry.
I discovered this anime lambat juga. Like I think one day before the series started, before first episode. Macam I noticed macam, and then I added to my list lah sebab I interested. Macam I like sci-fi. I like sci-fi, so I tengok premise dia macam best. Macam it's about half human. Cerita dia pasal half this protagonist dia half human, half chimpanzee, nama Charlie. So
it's a male lah, male.
A male.
Human Z kan.
Human Z, dia half human, half chimpanzee. So aku suka sebab dia macam sebab dia set in the US. Karakter dia semua boleh kata memang is white people, bukan Japanese lah. I mean karakter semua nama English, is set in the US. So it's like watching Planet of the Apes, macam Rise of the Planet of the Apes. Sebab cuma the difference is Charlie ni boleh cakap from the beginning. Kita tengok dia masuk sekolah apa semua, and aku suka sebab dia cover subject matter yang relevant to this world lah. Macam heavy lah some of the subject matter. Macam ada satu scene tu aku siap post dekat social media some of the screenshot sebab satu episod tu siap, sebelum episod tu ada disclaimer like for people yang sensitive to violence, sebab dalam episod tu ada dia tunjuk a school shooting.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. Dia tunjuk
memang tunjuk, memang I was shocked sebab aku tak expect dia nak tunjuk like to that extent tau. Memang dia tunjuk that shooter masuk sekolah apa semua, tembak budak-budak and budak-budak dalam sekolah tu apa semua. It's very brutal lah. Memang nampak. That's why memang I wasn't terkejut ada disclaimer sebab memang brutal, very brutal and violent. And overall banyak dia cover pasal civil rights, macam what rights should Charlie have as a half human, half chimpanzee. Should he be regarded as a human, dia ada human rights ke tak, macam-macam, banyak topik lah. So I think if you like sci-fi punya, if you into sci-fi, even if you tak tengok anime, I think this series boleh, people yang tak normally tengok anime boleh tengok.
Serious? Aku tak tengok because I don't feel like being depressed. I want to see happy things. So I feel like I need time to watch this. But Amber, your thoughts on this when you watch it?
It's freaking dark title. One of the freaking dark title untuk winter ni. Aku tak expect cerita ni. Aku tak expect cerita ni dekat penghujung dia. The family dia okay, dia kan human Z, dia half chimpanzee, half human. So ada this one scientist buat eksperimen dekat this one chimpanzee menggunakan DNA manusia dan DNA chimpanzee, and then this chimpanzee melahirkan Charlie ni. So sebab tu dia jadi dia adalah seorang human Z lah. So orang ada organisation ni, aku tak ingat apa nama organisation ni, duk hunting dia apa semua. And then
ALA.
Okay, ALA. Okay, lagi satu ketua ALA ni, dia punya voice actor, the freaking All For One. Sial, bila aku dengar je suara dia macam, cerita ni dah lah traumatik. All For One pula dia punya main villain tu, macam cerita gila. Macam All For One.
Yang boss tu nama Maurice Williams ke, yang muka Obama? Bukan. Fairbairn. Rivera, yes. Yes, you are right. It's Otsuka Akio. Yes, Otsuka Akio. All For One, yes. Sorry, apa dia.
Ya, gila sah. dah lah cerita ni dah. Lepas tu dengar suara dia lagi macam, dah lah kita baru habis tengok My Hero Academia. Traumatik dah suara dia dalam cerita ni. Lepas tu, uish, actually kesian kat Charlie lah. Dia dijaga oleh 2 foster parent ni kat dalam satu hutan ni. Ada at one point lah, jadi kita dekat ujung cerita ni, organisasi yang ALA ni bunuh foster parent dia. Dia macam, gila, itu dark gila. Tak, tapi orang ingat parent dia mati sebab rumah terbakar. Orang ingat parent dia mati sebab rumah terbakar. Tapi bila rumah tu terbakar, and then bila si Charlie nampak rumah terbakar, dia masuk terus. Dia masuk tu, dia nak try selamatkan mak bapak dia. Tapi bila dia dah bawa keluar mak bapak dia, dia bagi tahu kat polis, dia bagi tahu kat kawan baik dia Lucy, actually mak bapak dia dah mati sebelum rumah tu terbakar. Ada orang bunuh mak bapak dia. So macam lepas tu at the end of the season, nak jadikan cerita ni lagi gila, member ada abang, Mat. Member ada sibling shoot.
Apa Human Z tu?
Itu
dia ada abang yang lagi tu. The twist. Wish.
Dia apa?
And then the abang
Sorry.
and the abang is the one that hire this organisation untuk hunting Charlie. Bro,
Abang dah human ke Human Z?
Human Z.
Bloody hell.
And nak tahu tak macam mana si Charlie ni tahu yang dia ada abang? Sebelum mak kandung dia, which is the real chimpanzee mati, dia macam on her deathbed, dia macam bagi macam petunjuk dekat Charlie yang dia cakap apa? I am a mother of 2. Charlie waktu tu petak gila. Yang aku sekali petak waktu tu. Wish, ada 2 Human Z. Cerita ni dark lah. Tu yang aku cakap, cerita ni dark. Lain daripada lain. Aku tak pernah tengok anime cerita macam ni, gila. Recommended. Aku recommend semua orang tengok cerita ni. Serius.
Shit man. Aku takut nak tengok. Bukan takut, macam aku tak tahu whether aku punya otak boleh I have to be in a mood lah, particular mood to watch this lah. Oh god. Because it sounds good. Very good. Sorry, you wanted to add anything earlier? Did you want to add anything?
Not really. Tapi cuma I think the first half okay lagi. The first half dia agak light lagi. Dia tak start like dia bukan terus like dark gila bapak ke apa. Dia I think second half bila things dah start escalate baru like dia memang dark. Sebab bila masuk ALA tu, and then bila school shooting tu jadi, yang tu memang dia terus daripada like 0 to 100 like.
Is the school shooting related to the ALA or what?
It's related to the ALA.
Actually,
sebab ALA tu macam ALA tu macam what if PETA, tapi PETA is a terrorist organisation. Like they fight for the rights of animal. Dia orang vegan, and dia orang nak push vegan, dia orang nak push animal rights, tapi at the same time dia orang bunuh ada humans. Dia orang macam terrorist lah, extremist organisation.
Dia orang nak bunuh Charlie.
Tak, dia orang nak push animal rights, you know, macam PETA tapi terrorist.
So dia masuk sekolah tu nak bunuh. Is that the school that Charlie went to?
Yes. The school that Charlie goes to.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Tapi dia orang bukan nak bunuh Charlie actually. Dia orang nak bunuh Charlie Bukan. I think dia orang dia orang nak ubah perception of Charlie. Sebab waktu tu Charlie still pergi sekolah. Tapi once benda ni jadi, and then things escalate, Charlie tak boleh pergi sekolah dah. You know, sebab people dah tak trust. Dia orang kata Charlie ni is the cause of everything yang dah jadi apa semua. Dia orang blame Charlie lah. Dia orang kata kalau Charlie tak ada sekolah ni, benda tak jadi apa semua. You know, dia banyak like politics and banyak discussion pasal rights and stuff like that juga. So that's why I like cerita ni.
Okay, dari segi kalau technical daripada apa, okay, aside as I've obviously described, I didn't watch this. Bell Knox Studios is the studio that makes this. Dan Charlie, the reason just now I was, Charlie ni betina ke jantan? He said boy, tapi because agaknya dia buat suara of a budak. Because again, sekali lagi, Tarizaki Atsumi, voice actress for Anya Forja is Charlie. And then as Amber was saying, All for One punya voice Otsuka Akio voiced Rivera Feyerabach, which looks bizarrely like Barack Obama.
Yeah.
and then you can see him at the overlay tu. And then apparently there's a woman pakai spek. Tak tahulah dia Kamala Harris ke apa kan. So aku tak tahu mengapa dia mungkin mangaka dia it is based on a manga, isn't it? It's a seinen manga. Yeah, it's a seinen manga, sci-fi manga. And then just to, yes, you are right. It is a terrorist peta. Aku tak nak sebut perkataan ni because takut algoritma tangkap suara aku dan nanti dapat video-video dari ada persatuan yang sebegini. Alif Lam Fa. Dalam bahasa Melayu je Barisan Pembebasan Haiwan. Pandai-pandailah you do the F tu instead jadi AL. Dia wujud betul. Dan actually masa dulu kita buat Hello Winter, masa kita, I think both of us, all three of us were there when we did the session Hello Winter 2026, I think. I mentioned briefly that this kumpulan wujud. Dan nanti aku mention kat korang masa aku dekat first year dekat med school dulu, masa kita orang nak buat eksperimen pasal jantung, dia guna jantung rabbit nak inject the drug to see it stops and start moving again, which means you had to kill a live rabbit fresh because you know the heart has to be hidup kan. So the whatever it was lah, ALF whatever, cawangan pekan kita orang dapat tahu lecturer tu dapat bomb threat.
Dalam cerita ni siap dia orang bom cafe and stuff sebab dia orang nak push vegan tu.
So sama lah, they have the same thing lah. So ada bomb threat, so kita orang cancel eksperimen tu dekat lab. I don't think dia nak tunjuk satu jantung je lah, tapi tak ada. Tapi macam lepas tu dia orang actually had a video tape tunjuk eksperimen yang sama. So dalam hati aku lah, macam tunjuklah video tu. Biarlah that unfortunate one rabbit yang meninggal yang kau tangkap video. I mean, dia tak tunjuklah bunuh rabbit. Dia tunjuk jantung tu lah, gantung atas spring dengan ada wire apa jadah. Tapi it's like bloody hell man. Kita orang macam but the threat happened a few days before the lecture lah, the experiment. So whether that happened at the lecturer's house ke apa, aku tak sure. I don't think it was at the med school because I can't remember being evacuated by the police or whatever. But there you go. So it is real. It's based on a real thing. So it's not just Barack Obama in this in this thing. So
that's why she invest.
Tapi interestingly Mel bagi 7.03. So aku tak tahu kenapa orang macam ni. Mungkin diorang shock kot. SHOCKE, shock. But you would have thought something with, you know, because it sounds quite interesting. There you go. So that was Darwin Jian, or the Darwin Incident.
Ada